Welcome to Motors Sports Mania, the ultimate destination for all things automotive, where we explore the most iconic, powerful, and timeless machines to ever hit the road. Today, we are going back in time to review a true classic from the golden era of American sedans, the 1990 Chevy Caprice. This full-size, rear-wheel drive car was a staple of American streets, a favorite among families, police departments, and even lowrider enthusiasts. With its bold presence, smooth ride, and classic V8 performance, the 1990 Caprice remains a beloved piece of automotive history. The 1990 Chevrolet Caprice represented the final years of its third generation, continuing the boxy design language that defined much of the 1980s. Its squared-off edges, wide front grille, and chrome accents gave it an authoritative yet elegant look. The Caprice's large rectangular headlights and flush-mounted bumpers made it instantly recognizable, and its long body and spacious interior spoke volumes about its mission as a true family cruiser. Measuring over 200 inches in length, the Caprice was one of the biggest sedans of its time, offering loads of room for passengers and cargo alike. Whether on suburban streets or open highways, it was built to glide with confidence and presence. Under the hood, the 1990 Caprice came with a variety of engine options, starting with the base 4.3-liter V6 producing around 140 horsepower. But what made the Caprice truly shine were the optional V8s. The most common choice was the 5.0-liter small block V8, offering a healthy 170 horsepower and 255 pound-feet of torque. It wasn't lightning fast by modern standards, but it delivered the smooth, reliable power that buyers loved. Paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission, the Caprice prioritized comfort and cruising over raw performance. However, the available 5.7-liter V8, producing around 180 horsepower, was favored in police packages and provided extra grunt for those wanting more capability. The Caprice's rear-wheel drive layout and soft suspension made it ideal for long-distance driving, absorbing road imperfections effortlessly while keeping cabin noise to a minimum. Inside, the 1990 Caprice welcomed passengers with a plush, comfortable cabin that focused on simplicity and function. The dashboard layout was straightforward, with large analog gauges and controls that were easy to use. Depending on the trim level, buyers could enjoy amenities such as power windows, air conditioning, cruise control, and even a premium sound system. Bench seating was common, allowing up to 6 passengers to ride comfortably. Materials used in the cabin leaned toward the durable side, designed to withstand years of family use. Visibility was excellent thanks to the large windows and upright seating position, making the Caprice easy to drive despite its size. When it comes to ride quality, few cars in its class could match the Caprice. Its suspension system, featuring coil springs in the rear and an independent front setup, was engineered to provide a soft and cushioned ride. While handling wasn't sporty, it was predictable and composed, especially for a car of its size. The steering was light and easy, making it a favorite for city and suburban driving. Braking was handled by front discs and rear drums, which were adequate for the time. Safety features were basic by today's standards, with anti-lock brakes being optional and airbags not yet standard. Still, the sheer size and sturdy construction of the Caprice gave it a reassuring presence on the road. One of the most enduring aspects of the 1990 Caprice is its versatility. Whether used as a family sedan, a law enforcement vehicle, or a platform for customization, it adapted to every role with ease. The Caprice's large engine bay and body-on-frame construction made it easy to work on, and its popularity ensured a wide availability of parts. In the years that followed, it became a favorite among lowrider communities, often customized with hydraulics, paint jobs, and chrome wheels. It's also remembered fondly in popular culture and film, where its presence often symbolized authority or old-school cool. In summary, the 1990 Chevy Caprice may not have been the most advanced car of its time, but it was dependable, comfortable, and unmistakably American. It represented a time when full-size sedans ruled the roads, offering big space, big engines, and big comfort. Even today, the Caprice continues to earn respect from classic car lovers and collectors who value its blend of tradition and utility. Whether you're admiring its design, enjoying its ride, or restoring one to its former glory, the Caprice is a reminder of how satisfying a true American sedan can be. Thank you for watching Motors Sports Mania. If you enjoyed this look back at the 1990 Chevy Caprice, don't forget to like this video, drop your thoughts in the comments, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel for more classic car reviews and automotive deep dives.